Let's introduce our system. What is Bumblebee? This is an alarming system, one of the most advanced alarms in the world, protecting of your house. And what are differences between Bumblebee and other systems? It uses VoIP, which is the newest technology in an emergencies, to send an alarm to users when they get an incident in their house. Furthermore, whenever the problem occurs, or persons who live near there will also get a calling emergencies from our system. In our system, the hardware component will send data collected from a house to our server. After receiving the data, server will analyze and process by special modules. If there is any abnormality size, such as the gas concentration is very high, so it will activate the VoIP modules and send an alarming notification to our corresponding users. Different from other systems, to limit frequencies that an incident can cause, our system always provides a special solution, which is alarm community. It helps persons living an incident also receive a calling emergency when leaking gas, explosion, or polluted environment is detected. Let's look at our system architecture. There are three components. The first one is user smartphone running on Windows Phone operating system. It will receive information about their house via our application. It displays many information such as air quality index, temperature, and humidity. And the second one is cloud server built in Windows Azure Mobile Service. It will store data, process logic code, and send notifications to users when necessary. And the final component is hardware device, which are a heart of our system. They include many sensor modules, and each has a different functions. And this is our application interface. Bumblebee provides to users a visual human interface. When users launch the application, they will see the main menu. They can see different views by sweeping horizontally, such as if they want to view current status, they can sweep from left to right, and vice versa. There are four main functions in our application: a lamp in a specific location, a lamp in the large area, install a new module, and final is view home condition. Let's move on the first function in our application. Our system always checks if air pollution situation, temperature, humidity change considerably, and notify to user how to take care of himself or herself. And this is a special feature, or we can say this is a heart of our application. Whenever an incident occurs, user will get a base VoIP alarm notification. Not only him or herself, but also him or her neighbors also get it. Moreover, we also provide a map that helps people can find an exact place where an incident happens. They also can check distance as well as direction from their location to the incident happens. This is very useful that helps people have a solution to prevent the damage on time. It's also the second main function of our software product. With our product, users can interact between hardware and software components easily. Users also can install a new module by scanning QR code of this corresponding sensor module themselves. We'll also study carefully about user experience to ensure that users can get their requirements quickly and simply. The data will be synchronized immediately. Finally, they can get the status of a specific room such as air quality index, carbon monoxide, and nitrogen dioxide concentration to help users visualize easily. Each level condition will have a different color, such as green for good, red for unhealthy, and so on, based on API standard. On the other hand, they can also view history events of this room. The second component of our system is cloud server using Windows Azure Mobile Service. It is used to store and process data collected from users' hours. If there is a higher value than expected, it will implement an alarm notification to user. And the final is hardware device. It includes the components which are sensor modules and controlling systems. This is hardware module look like. We provide many sensor modules which the user can choose what kind of module will be installed in their house. Our system has a gas, temperature, and air quality sensor module. Our hardware components can run by electricity, even though when the electricity turns off, our system still is active because users can use battery power with saving money standard as a replacement solution. It also means that our system can run 24 hours a day, 365 days a year by using low battery power.